Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? In this video I'll be walking you through how to use the Kalodata promo code for TikTok shop in UK. So I'm currently on my Kalodata account right here. As you can see, this is UK location. So all you just have to do, just go to the pricing section. So on the pricing section page, you can then select which of the plan you actually want to go for. If you want to go for the starter plan, it's going to cost you $56, and for the professional, you're going to be paying $103. And for the enterprise, you have to contact the customer support center to get this plan. And you can see I selected UK right here. So this one supported all countries. So if you don't want to target UK alone, it support US, UK, and I think Australia and some other countries like that. So this amount you are going to be paying. So but only UK based audience and then data, then you'll be selecting this option and then you'll be able to proceed. So let's say I want to go for this starter plan right here, or the professional plan. Anyone you can select. So I'm gonna go for the starter plan, which for the UK base, so this is $36.03. So I'm gonna click on buy, then there will be a pop-up just like this. So here you can see a promo code. So on this promo code right here, apply must be to this promo code, right? Then you can see there is a discount that already applied to it. You can see promo code, then there's a discount. You can also use the direct link in the description to sign up if you have not signed up on Kalodata before. But then if you have signed up but you have not subscribed to the Kalodata tools, so you can apply this code and then it will definitely work for you. Then after that, just click on go to pay, and you can pay with your debit or credit card or PayPal maybe. So that is how you can apply the promo code to your Kalodata UK account. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to reply to that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.